In electronics manufacturing, electronic component market is complex and dynamic, with fluctuations in supply and demand, lead times, obsolescence, counterfeit components, and other factors that pose many challenges for companies that rely on a steady production of electronic components. And a unique electronic component purchaser can solve these production challenges for customers. No longer content with simple sourcing tasks, but with fresh thinking and a unique perspective. A unique purchaser is able to source reliable components, optimize the supply chain, and reduce the risks associated with disruptions or delays in the sourcing process. What are the skills required to become a unique procurement? Negotiation skills, effective supply chain visibility, risk management systems, and keeping abreast of market dynamics are the skills required to become a unique purchaser and to maintain continuous learning to seize market opportunities and anticipate future trends. Facing supplier diversity and building a wide supplier network is the key to becoming a unique purchaser. Establish relationships with various types of suppliers. Actively seek new partnership opportunities and build databases for different brands of supply chain management to ensure access to high-quality electronic components. In addition to expanding the supplier network, supplier vetting is an important part of becoming a unique purchaser and can be done in the following areas. Become a unique electronic components buyer. More need to have the ability to deal with the problem, have their own emergency response program. Specifically can be from these 6 aspects to sort out the review and solve. As a unique electronic component purchaser, from cost effectiveness, quality assurance to continuous supply, comprehensive consideration of all aspects through a unique component sourcing strategy to solve customer production problems. Not satisfied with the ordinary, choose to break through the routine to become a differentiated and unique procurement.